is a very simple Newton's second law problem. Quick, simple, but I'm gonna do this one and that what I'm gonna do this a little tweak to show that ready to pass to this video. Okay, so here an object 20 kg being pulled by 27 Newton. This is force of friction, and the question is what the force of friction if the acceleration is 0.8 meter per second square. Okay, so I have a Newton's second law problem. The F net equal ma. I need to get that force into a formula. Okay, so I say to the lines is positive because I have to choose some direction positive acceleration to the right. So now, what is the F net mean? F net mean F of all the force that you see in the direction of the acceleration are in the planet. 27 minus force of friction equal m. I know the m is 20 and in the ones is 0.8. Now it's important to note this is not a vector for me. It's this linear formula because I already say 2 minus force of friction and I already say to the friction is backward. So now I'm just solving for the magnitudes of the friction. I will rank 27 minus force of friction equals 16. So I rewrite 20 minus 16 equal force of friction. I brought the 16 over here with because negative. I took the force of friction brought or say because it's positive. So now I know the force of friction is 27 minus 16 and the force of friction is 11 Newton. But which way is that 11 Newton because we have to give a direction didn't come out negative to tell us the left it came out positive. Which one is what I expect? Because I already say to the left, so we say to the cross of friction, this is to the left. I just did a more intentional problem. I just gonna throw a little tweak to show how you can make up Newton's second law. Okay, same case. 20 kg being pulled by 27 Newton. I give you some other information. This is really important to know. The variable acceleration is in your big 5 out of 5 formula from the acceleration. So, question 3. What we do if you say instead of giving them the acceleration or marking it's easy. I say, okay, I want to know something about the force, but I'm going to tell you the acceleration. But I'm going to tell you no, in detail, velocity or the distance or the something like that, and then you just solve for the acceleration. The department we going to use Fnet equal ma. What are the force is 27 minus force of friction. Okay, well, how do we get the acceleration? I have some other variable v1 equal 0 meter per second. Because it's say from late. It say to velocity 24 meter per second. Which pretty fast in 30 seconds. So for my kinematic information under, so for the acceleration, then I can use my Newton's second law. I use A equal V2 minus V1 over T. In this case, and so A equal 24 minus 0 over 30, and the acceleration is 0.8 meter per second square. Okay, so that I can plug that back in here. And say 27 minus force of friction equal 20, and time is 0.8. I make the acceleration the same, so return work the same. 27 minus force of friction equals 16. And 27 minus 16 equals force of friction. I just realized that the 16 comes side because negative. Force officially grows on side that positive. So the force of friction is 27 minus 16 is 11 Newton. And positive. 27 minus 16 is 11 Newton. From the diagram, I can see to the left is didn't come out negative because I already said to the backward.